everybody, this is Prince. It's 14th of May 2018. We're going to do a very quick technical analysis on the Monaco coin against the Bitcoin chart. Now keep in mind this video is for educational and informational purposes only. All information that's shared in this video is not to be considered as a financial advice. Trading cryptocurrencies, financial products, leveraged products contains a lot of financial risks, so please don't risk money that you can afford to lose. We're using the tradingview.com charting system. It's the daily chart. Let's quickly analyze where the market's going. Now let's look. Let's talk about the technical indicators first. We've got a 50 exponential moving average. We've got RSI, the relative strength index, to understand if the market's overbought or oversold, and we've got awesome oscillator here to understand the market momentum. All right. Now, if the histograms on the awesome oscillator above the zero line, it means the market's momentum is towards the upside. The color of the histogram is irrelevant. For me, it's irrelevant. And the RSI, all right, if it's above 50, it means we're trending towards the upside. But if it's above 70, it means the prices are overbought. And if it's below 30, it means prices are oversold. So let's get started. Now, let's begin with the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, we did make a huge spike. The prices on Monaco went to almost 32 satoshis. Yeah, should I say that? 320 satoshis, and it dropped back down to 9,900. Okay, so from, let's say, 32,000, it dropped to 900. Hope I'm reading the prices correctly, but when I explain you the chart patterns, it will be more clear. Now keep in mind, this here is a very important level. I'm going to draw a line for you, a horizontal ray here. This is a very important area. Okay, so what's happening here? Let me color it yellow. Alright, so we did break above the swing high. This was a very strong resistance. The price did, let me clone this out. The buyers tried to push these highs in the past. Okay, they couldn't. The buyers and prices were pushed back down around this area, which is 60.15. How do you unit 10s, 100,000, 10,000? Okay, 61,000 satoshis. This is where the price went from the top, almost, let's say, 100%, 50% drop. Yeah, we can say that. Is it 50? Yep, 50% drop. So prices dropped by 50%, and from here, if we shot up really big, probably 4 or 5 times, almost 4 times. Okay. Now, when the price went back up, what's resistance often becomes support, and what support often becomes resistance. So you can see the market fell back down, and we've got some buying pressure coming up from this area, which is the 120,000 satoshi area. See that? So for a couple of days, let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Almost since last 20 days, the price is hovering around this area. So what is my analysis? Keep in mind, if the prices are above the 50 exponential moving average, the market is to be considered in an upward direction. So we've got a couple of options here. First option is we let the price come down in this area. We want the price to come around the 50 exponential moving average, pull back, which is almost about 110,000 satoshis. See a green candle close. Once the green candles close and the awesome oscillator is above the zero line, we want to look for buy opportunities. Or the second option would be, we can use this candle high, horizontal line. We can use this high. We can consider this high, which is the 133,000 satoshi area, as a resistance. If the price touches or breaks above it, that's our buy entry, and the target is around 17,852 area. Okay, cool. Otherwise, the alternate option, there could be a possibility that we fall back down. Okay, we fall back to this area around 61, which I think it's gonna come. I feel personally, in my opinion, here is the last 91,000 is the last support area. Okay, so the price should come around this area and again probably fail to make new lows and bounce back up. Sorry. Okay, it should bounce back up. That's what I'm looking at. All right, this is for long-term trading, but let's talk about short-term. What can we see in the short term? Let me go to let me open for you a 30-minute chart. Okay, now this is the 30-minute chart. It's an amazing chart. It's an amazing chart indeed. We've got a divergence. What's divergence? Let me tell you what's divergence. You see that market made a lower low. Okay, the market made a lower low, but the indicator is not making lower lows. It's doing the opposite. Both the indicators are doing opposite. So oops. You see that? So this is called bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. So on the short-term time frame, we are above the awesome oscillators, above the 0 line. RSI is also above the 50 line. It went to the oversold, almost around the oversold area, and bounced back towards the upside. Okay, so short-term trading, it's good to look for buy opportunities for small gains. So this was our buy around 107,000. It went to 111. So this would be the next resistance. This would be a cash out point. If you really want to take, if you really feel that it's some buy, okay, you could even take the breakout of 124,000 satoshis. This is also a good buy area for short-term traders. All right, what you actually want is you want the price to come below the 50 exponential moving average, and then you want the green candles to be closing above the 50 exponential moving average to take a 2, 3%, 4% profit. So that's it. I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Another thing you need to understand is if the RSI is above 70 level, it means the prices are overbought, they're expensive. So whenever you have a buy position and RSI goes above 70 level, you really want to exit and close your positions. All right, so I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This is Prince. Have a great trading week. Bye bye for now.